There's a real, and they're called rainbow or parrot tulips. And by accident, we produce something similar. For unknown reasons, my tulips are failed this year. It's my yearly tradition. Lasagna-like layers of spring bulbs. First, the tulips, the topmost, followed by the daffodils. And at topmost, the crocus, expecting to get a bloom or series of blooms in spring. Like this, crocus as being the first to bloom. All the bulbs that I planted in this pot are failed. The crocus, the daffodils, and the tulips. The crocus didn't come, the daffodils either, and the tulips are discolored. I think it's due to bacterial infection. I blame the soil in the pot, but look what we have. Incidentally, we have produced parrot or rainbow tulips. Not far from the commercially produced rainbow tulips, which I've heard involve infection to create the rainbow colors. Not a total disaster after all. It's a surprise. Desired surprise.